Hello, today I'm going to be showing you a website called Quia. This is an assessment tool. There are many different features on it that can make assessments kind of fun, and I think that you can have a lot of fun with this tool. So we start off with the My Profile tab. That's where you can see the assessments that you have made. There's a Classes tab where you can have separate classes and separate assessments for each class. The Activity, Quizzes, and Surveys tab, this is where you will mainly be going. This is kind of where you are making your own quizzes and assessments. The question bank are questions from other educators that they have shared, and you can click on it and then type in the question type or keywords, and you can find questions related to your topic. The Files tab is where you can upload your assessments and add files to your account. The Calendar tab is where you can add events and you can kind of see when and where you're going to want to have the assessments and add them to this calendar and keep track of everything that you are doing. The Shared Activities tab I think is a super important tab. This breaks down quizzes and games in these categories. So if you were looking for something for astronomy, you can click on that and you can see we have some games. All these are games. We have a quiz and it tells you how many questions. So I think that that's a super useful tab. But back to the Activities tab. This is where you can create games. They have so many games that you can make. So we're going to look at a couple of them. So there is a Rags to Riches game. This is kind of like a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game. So you just answer questions to make it up to $1 million. I think that this is a very good way to teach kids, not only little kids, but I feel like as they get older, they would want to play games in school. I feel like this could be super effective. Everybody trying to play until they can get to $1 million. The next game is a matching game. So you're just going to match together the synonyms in this game, and it gives you a happy face when you get it right. This game is a challenge game. So if we enter some names, I'll just enter my name twice. And this is like a Jeopardy game. So it's going to ask you questions and the teams are going to compete to try to win. This can be effective. People love to play games and try to win. I know that when I was in elementary school, middle school, high school even, I liked to play Jeopardy to learn. The next tab is the Quizzes tab. This is where you can create a new quiz, and there are so many different types of quizzes. We have multiple choice, true and false, fill-in, essay, matching. So this is a quiz on colors. So here are some fill-in-the-blank questions. Here is a multiple choice question. And then down here we have some matching questions right here. I think that this is cool. I always liked when these were on tests, so it's kind of exciting that they have this feature. And the next tab is the Surveys tab, where you can create a new survey. I think that this is nice because it kind of, you can make it anonymous, and you can just kind of ask questions. You can make a secret word so only your student can get in there. Another cool feature about this website, Quia, is that you can make it easier for non-English users and have accented letters. So I think that even though this costs money after the free trial, I think that it could be really beneficial in a classroom and help you keep track of everything and make assessments that will properly assess your children so you can see where they're at in the lesson. Thank you.